Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Now we will see Madhyama poem 4 Rainbow Indradhanush. Second part of the exercise. निम्नलिखित पद्यांशों का भावार्थ हिंदी में लिखिए। यह कहाँ अभी तक लुप्त रहा, दिन उगने पर भी सुप्त रहा, किस अंधकार में गुप्त रहा, फिर प्रकट हुआ दिन जहां डला, शनम ने बन इंद्रधनुष निकला, क्षण में बन इंद्रधनुष निकला. So these are the sentence given from the poem. You have to write the bhavarth for this lines. Bhavarth for these lines. संदर्भ यह पद्यांश इंद्रधनुष नामक कविता से लिया गया है. इस कविता के रचयिता श्री रामपति शुक्ल है. श्री रामपति शुक्ल है. भावार्थ कवि आश्चर्यचकित होकर पूछते हैं, यह इंद्रधनुष अब तक कहाँ छिपा हुआ है, दिन होने पर भी कहाँ सोया हुआ था, इस अंधेरी में छिपा हुआ था, किस अंधेरी में छिपा हुआ था, फिर अचानक ये क्षण में कैसे बाहर निकला. So the poet is feeling surprised and he is overwhelmed by seeing the rainbow and he is asking few questions to himself. Hey rainbow, where you were hiding yourself for so much time? Where you were vanishing for so much time? The day started and still you were sleeping and you were asleep for so much time. In which darkness you went and secretly kept yourself or secretly hidden yourself. Then suddenly you came in a minute over the sky and shone yourself so beautifully on the sky. The poet was very happy to see the rainbow. Now we'll go to the second exercise. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. Write the questions given below. Write the answers for the questions given below. First question, इंद्रधनुष में कितने रंग दिखाई पड़ते हैं? How many colors are seen in the rainbow? इंद्रधनुष में 7 रंग दिखाई पड़ते हैं. In rainbow there are 7 colors and we could see the 7 colors in the rainbow. इंद्रधनुष में 7 रंग दिखाई पड़ते हैं. 7 means 7. Rang means colors. There are 7 colors in the rainbow. So the poet has mentioned that what are the colors we saw in the poem. Narangi, orange, lal, red, hara, green, pila, yellow, baingani, violet, asmani is sky blue, neela, blue. So these were the colors, 7 colors of the rainbow. Now Vibgyar we say Vibgyar, that is rainbow. Colors of the rainbow. Vibgyar, Vibgyar for the colors of the rainbow in English we say. Now we go to the second question. इंद्रधनुष कैसे प्रकट होता है? How it is showing or displaying itself on the sky. How it is displaying itself, the rainbow is the question. इंद्रधनुष दूर तक जमीन को छूते हुए प्रकट होता है. So from distance, if you see, it is touching the earth. Bhumi Mata, we say, that is, it is touching the earth, and other end it is touching the sky. So it is touching the earth, and it is displaying itself. The rainbow is displaying itself. Third question. इंद्रधनुष में कितने लोगों की छवि है? छवि मीन्स रूप. इंद्रधनुष में 3 लोगों की छवि है. There is 3 world or universe in its shape or in its look. So beautiful it is. Third question. इंद्रधनुष कविता का थर्ड पार्ट of the exercise. इंद्रधनुष कविता का सारांश अपने शब्दों में लिखिए. So we are going to see the सारांश of the poem. इस कविता के रचयिता श्री रामपति शुक्ल हैं. आज इंद्रधनुष निकला है. Today the rainbow has come out. देखो यह कितना सुंदर है. See it, how beautiful it is. कितना मनोहर है. How fantastic it is. इसमें नारंगी, लाल, हरा, पीला, बैंगनी, आसमानी, नीला रंग है. इसमें in this orange, red, green, yellow, violet, sky blue and blue colors are there. इन रंगों का सुंदर चमकीला रूप यह इंद्रधनुष है. It is shining and very beautiful, and this is the rainbow. इंद्रधनुष को ये रंग किससे मिला? Who gave this colors to rainbow? यह इंद्रधनुष 7 रंगों का विचित्र और अद्भुत खेल है. This is how the rainbow is showing its beauty and strange and unparalleled and unique beauty and fantastic game over the universe. कवि आश्चर्य करते हैं कि कितने लोगों के सौंदर्य को मिलाकर इस तरह के सांचे में डलकर यह इंद्रधनुष बना है. So कवि, that is the poet, is surprised that the rainbow has taken the beauty of joining 3 world or the universe and formed so beautifully, formed so wonderfully over the sky, and it got flown into a mold so well. So when you take it out, it became the beautiful rainbow. When you take the stream that flown into the mold, and when you see it outside, it became the beautiful rainbow. यह अब तक कहाँ छिपा हुआ था? Till now where it went and hidden itself? Where did it go and disappear and vanish so much time? दिन होकर भी कहाँ सोया हुआ था? Even the day started and still it was sleeping. It was asleep. Why it was asleep so much time? Even when the day started. अचानक क्षण में यह कहाँ से प्रकट हुआ? Suddenly in 1 minute, how did it come out and display itself? How does it establish itself over the sky? यह दूर तक जमीन को छूता है. So it is touching the earth from distance we could see. Such beautiful is the rainbow. ऐसा धनुष लेकर तीर छोड़ने वाला बलशाली कौन है? Who is going to go and use this bow? Is there anybody in this world born for using this bow and leave it in the universe? Is there anybody so strong to use this rainbow as bow and leave it in the universe or in the sky? The poet is enjoying the rainbow. यह इंद्रधनुष बहुत सुंदर है. This rainbow is very beautiful. यह एक वर्णनात्मक कविता है. It is a descriptive poem. इंद्रधनुष की सुंदरता से विमुक्त होकर कवि उसका सुंदर वर्णन करते हैं. After enjoying the fantastic shape and the colors of the rainbow, the poet is giving the fantastic description of the rainbow. After observing the rainbow, the poet is giving the beautiful description of the rainbow. So this is the saransh of the poem Indradhanush. We saw the exercises and the poem. Hope you all understood. We have to keep studying, reading it loud and understanding the meaning of the words. Once we understand, we can write and practice. Then it will be easy for you. Thank you.